What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, April 2nd. All the news right now is pretty much Taiwan and Pelosi, saber rattling, all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. I don't expect much out of it. Anyway, I heard it was pushed off till tomorrow. Who knows? Anyway, 97 is going to be important for an opening today. We open up below that, and I think that's going to open us up to the downside. 83 is your overnight low. 81 is a couple days ago. So that 83, 81 is going to be pretty crucial. We lose that, we'll hit that 73, 70. I would expect that to be defended. And if not, that might let the gates go and people start to get a little bit more bearish. A lot of singles to clean up until, 58-ish. So that 57, 58 could be a level, and then 42. Drastically, though, I see the 20, the 40, 20, 40, 18. This level should hold. But that would be a long way down. Anyway, so let's say we get above 97, which is just above it now. Ideally, for bullish to keep this in structure, I would like to see something above 41.20. There's a lot of stuff here, a lot of openings and closings, and a lot of volume. So this 40.20 is really going to be the over-under. So anything under here is I'm just going to be fairly bearish. Above it, I'll be bullish to an extent. But if this rips open and cash open above this, I think we're off to the races, and we start to see higher numbers. But this level is going to be interesting. So even if we get up here, I think it will take a lot to get above that. Those who are wanting to short this or have been shorting this are going to defend that. But again, you got opening, closing, volume, POC. I mean, that 40.20, 40.22 level, 41.20, 41.22 level is going to be big. So for a structural purpose, we need above that, a closing above that to keep this going. If not, then we're going to start to head back down. Hourly, as you can see, that was a little double top at the 47. Coincidentally, we have R1 there as well. Your pivot, 41.22, no surprise. Your 60-day volume POC is at 41.18. So again, that 18 to 22 level is going to be very important. Right now we're at 40.97. That the pivots are right on target today. Those are very important levels. 47 was a high yesterday. 97 is that low the level I just told you about. 40.72 right there. That's your 40.70 level that I'm watching. So and then 47. So these pivots are going to be good today. I would watch those, and those are going to be important. Here's your roundabout, double top, right? So we popped up above 45 for a brief second, double top, and now we're kind of coming back down again. We'll see if that comes back and then reverses, or if we fall through this volume noid back into the 3900 area. Time will tell. I don't know. What else? A lot of cash gaps on the way down. 79 to 73. This one goes down to 39.21, and then blah blah blah. I wouldn't worry about these little guys. Euro coming back down. We'll see. This is the daily. It's obviously went down below parity, came back up. We tried up. The channel's still valid. I mean, it'd have to get over 104. But near term, I don't know. It's kind of neutral. We're not. I don't see it ripping up, but then again, I don't see it dropping. So, but keep an eye on this. Although Taiwan and China are now all eyes on this, the euro is still important to kind of a directional. But in conjunction with SPX, it's losing a little bit of its correlation. So, just keep an eye on that. Other than that, I think there's a slew of Fed speakers today. Economic-wise, 10 a.m. job openings. I don't know if that's going to be anything. Quits, whatever. Homeowner, I don't think any of these numbers except for, Bullard speaks at 6:45, but I think there's like 3 or 4 more that just popped in. I posted that in the chat from someone snapped a Bloomberg Anyway, but that's about it. So, this needs to open above 97. Anything above, 41.18 to 22 would be bullish. So we're kind of diddling almost in the middle, but on the low end. Anyway, that's about it. Again, Ralvol's 114, so we could move. But don't stick around. Reversals will probably be hard. I think people are going to be looking at a lot of information today. And again, if the Fed speakers start coming out, then who knows what's going to happen. Anyway, stay safe. You see profit, take it. Don't linger. Have a good day.